We work on the structural biology of the viral proteins.
Myelination in the brain, so this has to do with demyelinating diseases.
How we modulate the neutrophil traffic in the disease. How loss of this enzyme seems to happen in aging and neurodegenerative disease.
They're working their way and they come here and realize we're part of this wonderful community.
I always enjoy coming to the annual meeting because I get a chance to interact with my scientific community.
I always very much appreciate the networking and including seeing people I've seen before, meeting new people.
Every single talk that I've attended has enlightened me in so many different ways, and I'm so excited about all the research that can be done.
Meeting all sorts of different people, even if they are in fields outside of your field. In fact, I feel like that's where you find the most of the new ideas.
There's so much knowledge to be gained and so much interaction that we can have, not only for future scientists, but for the current research that's being done right now.